Hello world, it's Hatim Tekri. In the earlier videos, we have covered data type, variable, operators, and in operator, we done arithmetic operator and assignment operator. Now in this video, we will understand the logical operator and relational operator. So first, relational operator, because the logical operator is depends on the relational operator. So that's why we see the relational operator first. So the relational operator is an operator which create the relation between two variables using certain symbols. In relational operator, we have 6 symbols, that is equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than equal to, and greater than equal to. So we use these symbols to create the relation between two variables. Now where we use this relational operator? We use this relational operator to create the conditional statements. If we want to create the conditional statements, then we use the relational operators. So let's create the relation between two variables using these symbols in the program. So move on to the program. First clear this and int a equal to 10, int b equal to 20. Okay, so we have declared a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. Now first we see the greater than symbol. So first we create the relation using the greater than symbol. So a greater than b, bool c. Now here I use bool c, that is a boolean type. So why I use boolean type, we'll see in few minutes that why I use the boolean variable here. So let's continue with the program. Now print c, click on the run button. Yeah, it's print false. So now let's understand the output. We have write a greater than b. So what is the value of a? So value of a is 10 and the value of b is 20. So now check the condition again. 10 is greater than 20. Is it true or false? Of course false. 10 is not greater than 20. So that's why it's print false. Now let's check the another symbol, that is c equal to a less than b. Now click on the run button. Yes. Now it's print true. 10 is less than 20. Yeah, it's obvious, it's true. So it's check the condition to the value of two variable and then give the output in the form of true and false. Now move on to the another symbol, that is equal. So c equal to a equal b. So let's run the program. And yeah, it's print false because 10 equal to 20. No, so it's print false. Now let's see the next symbol, that is not equal, that is this c equal to a not equal to b. Now guess what would be the output? The output will be true because 10 is not equal to b. Yeah, it's true. So that's why it's give true. So let's check. Run the program. Yeah, it's give true because 10 is not equal to 20. True. Now move on to the next program. Now we see greater than equal. C is greater than equal to c equal to a greater than equal to b. Now click on the run button. It's print false. A is greater than equal to b. 10 is greater than equal to 20. No, of course. So it's print false. Now let's move to the next program. Now guess what would be the output? The output will be true. A is less than equal to b. 10 is less than or equal to 20. Yeah, it's true that 10 is less than or equal to 20. So let's see the output. Yeah, it's print true that 10 is less than or equal to 20. Now we have covered the 6 symbols of relational operator. So in this program, we have noted that every program gives an output either true or false. So this we have to note that the relational operator always give the output either in true or in false. Now we move on to the logical operator. So first, what is logical operator? Logical operator is an operator which create the relation between two conditional statements. Logical operator is an operator which create the relation between two conditional statements. That's why I have told that the logical operator is depend on the relational operator, because these conditional statements create using the relational operator. That's why the logical operator is depend on the relational operator. So move on to the program. Before starting with the program, in logical operator, we have two terminology, that is and or. We'll see this terminology in the program. So first clear this. Now let's define int a equal to 10, int b equal to 20. Okay, now we use first terminology. So we have to create the two conditional statements. So first we use greater than, where bool c equal to a is greater than b. The output is false because a is not greater than b, because a is 10 and b is 20. So now create another relation d equal to, in this we use less than. So a is less than b, the output will be true. So let's check the output of these two relational operators. Print c, see the output. Yeah, it's false. It's correct. Now print d, click on the run button, and yeah, it's print true. It's also correct. Now let's comment this. Now we'll see this and symbol. So create bool result equal to c and d. This two and symbol is an and terminology. Now print result, click on the run button. It's print false. Now understand why it's print false. First we have create the relation which is C, that is A is greater than B, and then we create the relation D, that is A is less than B. So A is greater than B is false because 10 is not greater than 20, and the second is A is less than B, that is 10 is less than B. It's true. So the first output, that is C, is false, and the another output, that is D, is true. So true false is equal to false. In AND, if both the condition is true, then only the AND symbol gives the output true. If any of these condition create a false result, then the AND symbol gives the false result. So let's conclude this AND symbol. So the first statement is, if any of this condition gives false result, then the result of AND will be false. Now the second statement. Now the second is, if the both condition gives true result, then the output of AND will be true. First is, if any of this condition gives false, then the output of AND will be false. And the another is, if both of this condition gives true result, then the output of AND will be true. So let's verify this second statement by changing some symbols. Now change these symbols to less than. So this give true. Click on the run button. And yeah, it's print true, because in this case the C and D both gives the true, then the result of this AND symbol is true. So now move on to the next symbol, that is OR. Now again reverse back to the initial conditions. To represent the OR condition, we use two straight lines. Now print result, click on the run button. So it's print true. Now we understand the OR condition. In OR, the first statement is if any of the condition gives the true result, then the output of OR will be true. Now the second is Now the second statement is if both the condition gives the false result, then the output of OR will be false. So the and OR are totally reverse. In AND, if any of the condition gives false, then the output of AND will be false. And same in the OR condition. If any of the condition gives true, then the output of OR will be true. Then the second statement is in AND condition, if both the condition gives the true result, then the output of AND will be true. And in OR, if both the condition gives the false result, then the output of OR will be false. Now in logical operator, we have note the same thing, that the output will be either true or false. So it is same as relational operator, that the output of logical operator is always either true or false. So in this video, we have covered the relational operator and logical operator. So that's it for this video, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.